Hello everyone, today we are going to practice one of the most important thing in yoga which everyone must practice every day because it helps you to reduce your fat muscles and keep you fit and flexible. It helps you to maintain your blood pressure and ensures your regular menstrual cycle, and it also improves your breathing stamina. It and ensures a good and healthy heart. It also improves your concentration power and maintains your sugar level. Even much more benefits. This is really crazy, right? By just doing one thing every day, you can get all these benefits. Yes, that is Sun Solution, which is well known as Surya Namaskar. Without wasting time, let's start our today's session. If you are new to this channel, this is Sundaram and this channel is almost everything about yoga. If you are interested in this topic, click that subscribe button and bell icon to get notified every time whenever we are uploading interesting videos related to yoga and healthy tips. Surya Namaskar consists of 12 steps in each round, so it is difficult to explain at once. Let's make it easy. What you need to do is do along with me and properly hear the cautions I am mentioning. Let's get started. First, I will explain each and every step clearly, then do along with me. 1. Inhale and exhale, palms together. 2. Give a little space in your legs and slowly rise your hands. Place your shoulders close to your ears. Slowly arch back. Never close your eyes while doing this. You can improve your stretch by everyday practice. 3. While coming down, place your chin, don't come like this, come like this. You need to look forward. Come and place your hands near to your foot. The concept is to place your 20 fingers in a straight line and exhale. If you can't place your hands on the floor, you can even place your fingers. Even that is difficult, stop wherever you can and hold for 5 seconds. Slowly get your right leg back and place your foot outside. Arch back and inhale. Never place your hands like this. This may cause hurt in your thumbs. So make sure you place your full palms on the floor, and once you place the palm, just to explain, I am removing from the floor. You should not remove once we place it. Again, while going for the 11th position only, we need to take our hands from the ground. 5. In the 5, you need to hold your breath, look forward, feel the stretch in these areas and in these areas. Never lose your hip like this or this. Stay straight as a plank position. 6. Place your knees, chest and forehead alone. Don't place your hip on the floor. While coming to this posture, you need to do an exhale. Slowly put your legs outside and come up and arch back. If you can't stretch this much, you can even stay here or even here. Again, with everyday practice, you can improve your stretch. 8. Bring your toes inwards. As you are beginner, come to this posture and place your palms and legs on the floor and come to the inverted V posture. Try to touch your chest with your chin and never lift your legs like this. Place it on the floor and stay for 5 to 10 seconds. 9. Right leg front. Same as third posture. In third posture, we get our right leg back, so we are bringing the right leg front in the 9th posture. Same as third posture, arch back and inhale. 10. exhale. While coming to 10, you should come in a one go. You should not place your legs here and here, and try to practice in a proper way. 11. Raise your hands up and arch back slowly. 12. You need to do alternate inhale and exhale. As in 2 we have inhale and 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 retain, 6 exhale, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale and 12 to the normal posture. As we did right leg forward and backward, next we are going to do with the left leg. You need to do Surya Namaskar always in sets of 2 sets, okay? It's advised to do 12 times, but for time being we will be practicing 2 times for right leg once and left leg once. While you are practicing, do at least 6 times a day. Let's start for our left leg. Do along with me. 1. Inhale and exhale, palms together. 2. Arch back. 3. Come forward with the exhale. 4. Left leg back and arch back. Inhale. 5. Hold your breath. Stay in a plank position. 6. Exhale. 7. Inhale and arch back slowly as much as possible. 8. Exhale. 9. Left leg front and arch back. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale and 12. Yes, that's it. We completed our today's session. Thank you for watching the video fully. Hope you understand each and every step clearly. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment box below. And you can also DM to my Instagram account. If you like the video, click that like button and share this to whom you care and whom you wish to become a healthy and active person. Thank you once again. We'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.